What's going on, guys? Robbie Blanchard here. In today's video, I want to share with you how I made $2,700 in one day, how my students are making thousands of dollars a day, and more importantly, how you can make thousands of dollars a day with ClickBank. So let's get into it right now. All right, guys, what's going on? Robbie Blanchard here, and I'm super excited because I want to share with you how I made $2,700 in one day on ClickBank. Now, this is not my best day ever, but I want to show you what's possible when it comes to literally making money online with ClickBank. And the cool thing about this, guys, is this $2,700 was a day that I really wasn't working too much. I wasn't doing anything. It was kind of around the holiday season, so I was just kind of with my friends and family, and that was it. But I still made $2,700 in a day. So what I want to do is I want to share with you how I did that, what I did to do that, and also how I'm not a unicorn, and how actually there's hundreds of people that I've taught this to that are doing the same thing, very similar, making lots of money online. So if you don't know who I am, guys, obviously I'm Robbie Blanchard. I'm the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the entire world, and what that means is I've made more money on the ClickBank platform as an affiliate than anybody else in the entire world. So I know a thing or two when it comes to making money with ClickBank. As a matter of fact, I'm wearing a ClickBank shirt right now, which is the hashtag #MakeBank one. It's got the ClickBank there. They sent it to me as a gift, which is cool. It's very comfortable too. So guys, let's go into my account right now and let me show you what I'm making right now on ClickBank to show you can get inspired, so you get fired up, and so that you can see what's possible for yourself as well. So let's get into it right now. All right, guys, so I'm already logged into my ClickBank account, and obviously I've got my ClickBank ID blurred up here so you guys can't see that, but in my ClickBank account, let me hit refresh so that way you guys can see that this is the real deal. This is not a fake page, as all the haters would say. Oh, Robbie, this is fake. No, I hit refresh, it's a real page, real deal, real money, okay? So you can see right now, as I'm recording, I've currently made $1,600 today, which is as I'm recording on January 3rd. But guys, you can see here, on December 28th, which was a Saturday, I made $2,700 just in one day. The next day, almost $2,000, then it was $2,400. New Year's Eve was a little kind of a weird day, but then right back at it, guys. $2,000 day, $2,600 day yesterday, and then $1,600 day today, right? So I'm doing, in this particular ClickBank account, I have several, but in this one, I'm doing anywhere from $10,000 to $12,000 a week, okay? And this is really, really possible stuff. And now, if you're looking at those numbers, you're like, wow, Robbie, like, good for you that you're the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world. You must be special or a unicorn or some guru or something, guys. That is 100% not true, okay? I am not special. I put my pants on one leg at a time, just like you do. All right, listen, I hope you put it one leg at a time, right? But guys, I'm just a normal person, and I've just kind of figured it out, right? And if you haven't heard my story before, obviously 5 years ago, I was just a struggling CrossFit gym owner. I didn't have an online business. I didn't even know what ClickBank was, right? I didn't know how to advertise or anything like that, but I was able to figure it out, guys, and because of that, I am where I am today, okay? Because I've taken the time, I've learned a skill, I got uncomfortable, I got in a position where I didn't even know how to make money online, and here I am today, just doing really, really well. So I want to inspire you and show you what's possible, okay? So the way that I do it, guys, the way that I make this kind of money is essentially all I do is I will take top offers on ClickBank, and I run paid advertising through channels like Facebook to make that money. So essentially, I take my affiliate link, right? I post it onto Facebook using paid advertising, right? And then anyone that buys through my link, I get anywhere from 75% all the way up to 90% commission. Now, you're probably wondering, well, Robbie, like, most affiliate commissions are 75%. How are you getting 90%? The reason why, guys, is because, I've met every single one of these product owners. I know all these owners personally. I know them by first name. We're good friends with them, right? And the nice thing about that, guys, I'm able to go to them and say, hey, I'm gonna run some really good volume and traffic for you guys. Can you hook me up with 90% commission or more, right? And all these vendors will do that. And as a matter of fact, the cool thing about in my course, Commission Hero, the students that I'm helping out as well, they get 90% commission too. So it's kind of an added benefit of working with me, right? Because you get that big commission bump. And honestly, guys, to go from 75% to 90% commission on a sale is huge, right? Like how many times have you ever been at your job where you get a 15% pay raise? Like, it just doesn't happen, all right? So that's really, really important to keep in mind there, right? So guys, you can see I'm making thousands per day. You're probably wondering what my profit margin is on these campaigns on a daily basis. And guys, because right now we're in what I call weight loss season, I'm promoting a weight loss offer right now. I'm only spending, like when I made that $2,700, guys, I mean, I'm spending maybe $500-600 a day right now to make that. Okay, so I'm making over $2,000 in profit. So my profit margins are really high right now because it's weight loss season. Everyone wants to lose weight in January after the holidays. and because of that, ROI tends to be a lot higher, okay? So that's something to look into here. Now, when I say that I'm not the only one making that kind of money, I want to share with you some success of people that are just like you, that have no experience maybe, or they're just getting started, but they're having success. They're making hundreds of dollars a day. They're making thousands of dollars a day. So let me actually show you inside my Commission Hero group, and I want to show you what some of my students are doing right now. So let's go ahead and hop in there, and you can see in here, guys, let's see here. And I'm in my Commission Hero private group. You can see we have almost 2,000 students in here. And look at this, guys. We had one guy, Patrick, for example, he just posted, he's in Germany. He just had a $1,500 day yesterday, guys. He's having a lot of success there. I've had a lot of case study videos. This is Lee. Lee is in the UK. He's doing thousands of dollars a day. He's having a lot of success. Aru, who is another student inside my course, he was actually on the verge of quitting. He wasn't sure if he wanted to even continue before because he tried other courses and they didn't work for him, and other things like Shopify and stuff. But he actually just had his first $1,000 day. And then he had another $1,000 day as we were doing this interview, which was super, super cool. Let's see, what else we got here, guys? So, so there's Aru posting right now. He had a $1,000 day. And he was actually on this post, he's actually asking for a Commission Hero hat. And the way that it works is I do kind of a fun thing where when one of my students hits a $1,000 day, I actually send them one of those Commission Hero hats. And this is a hat you can't buy, you have to actually earn it. So he's having a lot of success too. Noelle, she is having an amazing success. What a great story. I mean, she is an Army veteran. She just recently divorced. She was in a point where she had to pull from her savings to pay the mortgage for her home because she lives in California. It's expensive. So she wasn't sure what to do and how she was going to be able to keep her home. After learning what I've taught her, she just had a $100,000 month, guys. $100,000 she made in a month. 60 grand of that was profit, guys. And literally she's able to keep her home. She was able to refinance her home, and she is in a much better place than she was a month ago. So really, really cool stuff happening for people, which I'm so excited about. Brett just got his first sale. I mean, guys, I can go on and on and on. Like, here's Waju. Waju, he says it came in the mail. It's real. And it's true, guys. And it really works. And Waju has a great story. Waju had to flee his country of Nigeria just recently, earlier this year, because of some political stuff, and he came to America and he just figured it out, right? He's always wanted to make money online. He was able to learn from me, and I was able to teach him how to have his first $1,000 day and then some, guys. So you can see, guys, that this really, really works for so many people, guys. And the process is so simple. It's what I teach, on my YouTube channel here. Also, it's what I teach inside my Commission Hero course, and that is, find a high converting offer on ClickBank, right? Run ads to it, and that's how you have success, right? Now, obviously, there's some details that, there's step-by-step stuff you got to follow, but that's really what it boils down to, is finding a winning ad, right? So you have your winning ad, your winning landing page, and then going to that high converting offer, and that's it, guys. If you can learn that process, get that process down, then you can have massive, massive success. So I want to share that with you guys today to show you what's possible, how I've been able to do thousands of dollars each and every day on ClickBank for years, right? And there's no reason why you can't do this too. I'm not anything special. I've just been able to, first of all, be stubborn as hell and not quit. I've been able to figure it out. I've been able to keep going no matter what. And because of that, I've had a lot of success. So if you want to have the same type of success, there's no reason why you can't. You just have to stick to it, commit to it, and then push through. Hey, thanks so much for watching my video. If you like this video, then you're gonna love the free gift that I have for you in the description box below. It's a free training on how I became #1 in the entire world on ClickBank, but more importantly, how you can use the same system to make money online too. So guys, go ahead and do 3 things for me right now. Like this video to show me you love the content. Also, post your comments below because I love to answer your questions. And finally, guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because every single week we're pumping out new content to help you make more money online. So that's it, guys. I'll talk to you soon, and take care.